Maybe school is not for me anymore. Mom, Dad, I don't want to go back to school.
Lena, are you sure?
I try every day, but it hurts too much.
We don't want you to give up your future.
I know, Dad, but I need some time.
Maybe I can't change my future.
Mom, let me help. You don't have to. I want to. Mom, you don't have to. I want to.
I can do this.
I want to help more.
Work very hard. I'm trying to help my family.
Maybe my life is different now. I wish I didn't have this scar.
But I can change my future.